नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब? Before starting today's class, let's revise once whatever we have learnt at क वर्ग क ख ग घ ng, च वर्ग च छ ज झ ञ, ट वर्ग ट ठ ड ढ न, थ वर्ग त थ द ध न. In per वर्ग, we have learnt only first two letters p and f. क से कबूतर pigeon, क से कक्षा class, ख ख से खरगोश rabbit, ख से खत letter, ख से खरबूजा muskmelon, ग ग से गधा donkey, ग से गमला pot, ग से गर्दन neck, घ घ से घड़ी घड़ी means watch or clock, घर house, घड़ा picture. And this is letter ng. There are no words which are starting with letter ng, so I didn't give any picture here. Now comes cha varg. Cha से चटाई mat, च से चरखा spinning wheel, च से चम्मच चम्मच is spoon, छ से छतरी umbrella, छ से छड़ी stick, छ से छात्र student. And this is j से jug, ज से जहाज ship, ज से जादूगर magician. And झ से झाड़ू झाड़ू means broom, झ से झरना झरना means waterfall, झ से झूला झूला is swing. And this is letter ñ. There are no words which are starting with letter ñ, so I didn't give any picture here also. Okay, now we are starting ट वर्ग. ट से टमाटर टमाटर means tomato, ट से टब ट से टहनी टहनी means twig or a small branch. ठ से ठेला ठेला means barrow or handcart, ठ से ठठेरा tinker, ठ से ठप्पा stamp. And this is letter d. D से duffly, it's a musical instrument. This is called a timbrel. D से डमरू, this is also an musical instrument. Pellet drum. ड से डाकिया postman. ढ ढ से ढोलक ढोलक means tom tom. Okay, ढ से ढाबा eatery, ढ से ढक्कन lid, न न से किरण sunray, न से हिरन deer, न से चरण. त से तबला तबला is a musical instrument, tabla. त से तराजू तराजू means balance, त से तरबूज तरबूज means watermelon. थ से थाली थाली is plate, थ से thermos thermos means thermos flask, थ से थानेदार थानेदार means police officer. द से दही Dahi is curd. Dose, davat, ink pot. Dose, darwaza, door. ध ध से धागा thread. ध से धनुष bow. ध से धनिया coriander. न न से नल tap. न से नाव boat. न से नहर canal. प प से पगड़ी. प से पतंग. प से परिवार. फ फ से फल फीता फसल. In Varnamala, we are going to learn Vyanjan, Pavarg, last three letters B, Bh and M. B se Balla. Balla means bat. B se Balla, bat. B se Badam, almond. B se Badam, almond. B se Bagula. Bagula is heron. B se Bagula, heron. Bh Bh से भालू भेड़. भ भालू भेड़. भ से बाला. भाला. भाला means spear. It's a weapon. भ से भाला, spear. भ से भवन, building. भवन means building. भ से भवन, building. म म से मटर, peas. म से मटर, peas. म म से मकड़ी. म से मकड़ी, spider. म से मकड़ी, spider. म म से मछली, fish. म से मछली, fish. Now let's learn to write letters B, Bh and M. Let's learn how to write letter B. B is very easy, that you have to touch the top line and put your standing line. Now in middle, write like C. Now cross that with a line and your sleeping line as usual. This is letter B. See again, a standing line. In middle, write like C. Use a slanting line and a sleeping line above that as usual. This is letter B. A standing line like C and a cross in middle. Now a sleeping line as usual. This is letter B. Standing line, C, a cross and a sleeping line. Keep remember, it should not touch the bottom line. This is letter B. Now let's learn how to write letter B. By touching the top line, make a small circle and come down and sleeping line. Now go up and from the top make a standing line which should touch the sleeping line. Now a sleeping line by touching only the standing line, not the circle. This is letter B. Start with a circle, come down and make a rotation over there and make a sleeping line. Now go up a standing line by touching the sleeping line. Now only sleeping line for standing line. This is letter B, not for the circle. Circle, come down in standing line, make a rotation over there and a sleeping line. Now go up and touch the top line and make a standing line by touching the sleeping line. Okay. Now put a small sleeping line only for the standing line. This is letter B. Now M, same how you have written B, the same way you have to write M without circle. Go from the top line, make a standing line, a circle here and a standing line. Now a sleeping line by touching both standing lines. This is letter M. From the top line, write a small standing line here, make a circle and from there a sleeping line. Now again a standing line. Now a sleeping line. This is letter M. Both M and B will look similar. Only difference is here it won't touch the circle and the circle also will not be there here in M. Okay. Start from the top, a small sleeping line, make a circle here, small sleeping line, again a standing line, now a sleeping line. This is letter M. धन्यवाद बच्चों.